The information landscape of 2026 presents a unique and compelling opportunity. We are living in an era of profound informational fatigue. Audiences are overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content algorithmically amplified for outrage rather than understanding. This exhaustion has created a powerful, underserved demand for clarity. People are actively seeking sources of news that are not just fast, trustworthy, understandable, respectful of their time. They want news that explains rather than just reports. They want news that provides context, not just conflict. A new, nimble news channel can thrive by building on principles legacy media struggles to maintain: transparency, niche expertise, direct relationship with the audience. The year 2026 is uniquely positioned for this venture. The most critical decision you will make is your niche. A general news channel is a recipe for failure. You cannot outcompete the BBC or the New York Times on breadth. Instead, you must win on depth. A niche is your beachhead. It is a specific topic where you can become the most authoritative, most insightful, and most trusted voice. Think smaller than tech news, the business of consumer AI, the supply chain of electric vehicle batteries. Consider areas like local municipal politics, climate adaptation technologies, breakthroughs in longevity science, the evolving landscape of freelance labor law. A tightly defined niche makes you discoverable, reduces your research costs, and attracts a highly engaged, monetizable audience. Start by creating 5 distinct pieces of minimum viable content. Once you have a validated niche, your next task is to define a repeatable content format. Consistency is the engine of audience growth. Your viewers should know exactly what to expect from you and when to expect it. A chaotic mix of formats. A long interview one day, a short news clip the next, a visual essay the week after. Instead, choose one core format and master it. A daily 8-minute deep dive on a single news story, a weekly 15-minute interview with an industry expert, a bi-weekly animated explainer breaking down a complex process. Create 3 pilot episodes. Use the same introduction, the same style of graphics, the same on-screen host persona for each. Now, publish your 3 pilots on your primary platform, which for most news channels should be YouTube. Simultaneously, create and share short vertical clips 60 to 90 seconds from each pilot YouTube Shorts. Instagram Reels, TikTok. Your focus here is not on subscriber count, but on a single, vital metric: audience retention. For your full-length YouTube episodes, you are looking for an average retention rate of over 40%. If your retention is low, the format is broken. Shorten your intro, add graphics, tighten your script, and test again. You do not need a multi-million-dollar studio to produce professional-grade news content in 2026. The key is to build a lean, efficient, and cost-effective production stack. Visual infographic, smartphone shotgun mic lavalier, LED lights laptop with editor a modern high-end smartphone or a mid-range Sony or Canon mirrorless will deliver pristine 4K video. Audio is even more important than video. For editing, DaVinci Resolve offers a free version more than powerful enough. If you are in Adobe, Premiere Pro is an industry standard. For graphics, titles, and charts, start with Canva. As you grow, invest in After Effects. But do not delay launch. Establish a simple, repeatable workflow. Script, record, edit, add graphics, and publish. Track your time and cost per video, aiming under $150 at the start. YouTube is your library of record for full-length content. Extract 3 to 5 compelling 60-second clips from each video. Design each short to capture attention and drive viewers back to your main episode. Run small, subscriber-focused ads and track subscriber acquisition cost meticulously. Compare SAC to your projected ARPU. If SAC is significantly lower, you have a scalable model. Relying solely on YouTube ad revenue is a fragile strategy. Platform policies can change, CPMs can fluctuate wildly. A single demonetized video can wipe out a month's income. A resilient news business is built on multiple revenue streams. From day one, plan several paths to monetization. Start with YouTube ads once eligible. Immediately supplement with direct audience support. A page on Patreon where fans support you monthly. Sponsorships are powerful for niche channels with targeted, engaged audiences. Offer pre-rolls, in-video segments, and end-card thanks. Another crucial pillar is an email newsletter, the audience you truly own. Offer a free weekly newsletter, then a paid tier with deeper analysis, exclusives, and early access. Launch memberships once you have a few hundred dedicated viewers. Start at $5 per month with clear perks. Track conversion to paid. Even 1% is a strong positive signal. Early sponsorships prove willingness to pay, not maximize revenue. Track revenue per 1,000 subscribers monthly. Target $10 to $30 in early stages. Use this to project scale and validate financial viability. This data is your proof of financial viability. For a news organization, trust is not a feature. It is the entire product. Without it, you have nothing. Show your work. Cite your sources clearly and consistently, and link them. Create and use a public correction section promptly when you err. Publish a transparency and methods page outlining how you confirm information. Have an initial consultation with a media lawyer. Learn defamation and fair use basics. Keep meticulous records, research, interviews, permissions. Build a small, scalable team with freelancers for proven needs. Think in roles: host, editor-in-chief, producer, editor, part-time social media manager, freelance researcher, fact-checker. Create SOPs, manage with Trello or Asana, and track time with Toggle to justify hires. Let costs scale with revenue, not ahead of it. Starting a news channel can feel overwhelming, but becomes manageable with small, verifiable steps. Week 1. Choose a niche, write 5 short scripts, record 3 pilots with a phone mic, publish to YouTube, post 1 short each to TikTok or Reels, run 2 $50 ad tests, set up an email list and transparency page. Your ad tests point to the best niche. Retention validates your format. Early email signups are the audience you own. Then iterate, double down on what works and test monetization streams. Deliver clear, factual, respectful news consistently and transparently. By testing fast, keeping costs low, tracking numbers, and building on trust, you construct a profitable channel that thrives. The time to start building is now.